So hi all, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So in the last video we have discussed about today's market that the market has, according to the SGX market has possibilities. The market can open in this 160 point gap around this 19,200 to 220 in this range. But at the morning the news regarding Reliance Retail, for that news market has totally take reversal and opened almost 70 to 80 points above. But it was trading as totally in the no trading zone. But for tomorrow, let's see what we have. So for tomorrow, you can see that market has multiple time tested this 19,325 320 in this zone. Market has multiple time has tested. So we have to draw this level. These are very important make or break levels for market. So below this 19,325, or you can round it off to 19,300 in according to your preference. But 19,325, if it is not sustained, the next tomorrow, if not sustained market in this range, if it is given breakdown, if it is open directly gap down, so it will be not that much preferable. But if it is open flat or a little bit of gap up and then break this level, we will get very good target in this range. So on that case, our first target will be 19,250. Same analysis, and our second target will be this gap. This gap can be traded for tomorrow. Okay, and similarly, if you are planning for buying, there are two scenarios that is happening. See, first of all, this trend line. See, the market has multiple times it has tested this zone and show some profit booking from the top. And similar way, this 19,425, this area, you can see that how important this zone is. So this zone also now can act as a multiple time resistance. So above only this level 19,440 to 425 to 450, above this range, if market sustain, we will initiate our long trade and our target will be 19,500 to 525 in this area. Okay, so let me mark that. Only above that level, if market break, we will initiate our trade, and below the breakdown of this range, we can go for short in Nifty. This is our analysis. How the breakout or breakdown will initiate our trade, and it is towards no trading zone. Okay, let's move towards the Nifty Bank. Similarly, Nifty Bank also opened little bit of gap up, and now this 44,700 to 800 this zone, it has multiple time tested. So this zone will now act as very good support, and it is still providing the support. So similar like Nifty also below this 44,000 say 800 to 736 to below in this range, if market given breakdown. Okay, so let me draw that level a little bit of more effective way. This is a zone that is coming around 44,700. Below this zone, if market break this level, similarly, if it is breaking the live market, it will be more suitable for us. Then we can stop loss, give our stop loss around 19,920 in this swing, and we can get a very good target. Directional move we can get, and our first target will be this. Market has multiple times placed resistance, and similarly the next day has taken support. So this will work as a very good support for Bank Nifty, and below this there is certain gaps. You can see that 44,400. This level also can be tested. Okay, so see this level is very important level, that 44,500. This range multiple time it has tested. So 44,500 and 44,400 will be our target. And similar like Nifty, Bank Nifty also, this trend line is giving resistance for Bank Nifty as well. So this is the trend line where Bank Nifty is facing resistance. So this is trend line, and similar way, if you are planning for buying, so only above 44,200, only above this level, we will only initiate our long above this levels. Okay, above 44,200 this level, we can initiate our trade, and our target will be around this swing high around 45,500, and above that this all time high this zone 46 or 45,650. This level can be tested for Bank Nifty, and 45,200 to 44,800. This is totally no trading zone. You can do scalp here with option selling or in future, but it is no trading zone. Similarly, if market open flat, and this trend line also market can take rejection. If you see any negative pattern from here, you can short Bank Nifty here with the stop loss of the high, and you can play the first target. You can book your profit here, and if it also breaks this level, 44,500 550 in this range also, market can come. So this is analysis for Bank Nifty below this range, and similarly above the breakout of this range, the range is coming around here, and similarly market can take rejection. Similarly, 45,200 also, the market has this level has tested multiple times. So if given breakout of this range of this trend line, market can take rejection from here as well, and it show us some good profit booking to this range. Okay, so this is our simple analysis for Bank Nifty. We will play above or below this level. Here you only can do scalping. This is actually not really good. So let's move to the Nifty Finance. Nifty Finance also, you can see this 20,000 level. This level will now act as a make or break level. Okay, so this is the 20,000 level zone, and for tomorrow we can initiate our selling like Nifty and Bank Nifty, and our first target will be this 19,900 in this area, the gap I'm talking about. Okay, so below this gap can be traded very easily, and below this 19,919 to 900, this level 19,824 will be our second target if it is not sustained here. And similarly here also, this we will only initiate our long trade only above this level. The level is coming around this level. You can see 20,200. Market has tested here multiple times, then given breakout, and here also fails at twice resistance. Okay, similarly today also it has faced resistance here. So for tomorrow intraday basis, only above 20,200 and to below 20,000 we will only initiate our trade. Below this range we can plan for shorting. If we need to, just stop loss of today's high, today's closing, and we'll get a very good target here as well. If it is open flat, it will be very good. But if it is like gap down opening, then we have to carefully look in this range as support area. We can play accordingly about the breakout of the range. And similarly, about 20,200 in this range, we only initiate our buying, and our first target around 20,300. This area will be our first target, and the second target, if it is also sustained here, break that level. So the next possible target will be 20,792 will be our second target for buying. And similarly, 20,200 to 20,000 in this range, it is totally no trading zone, and you can do scalping, but for option buyer, it is totally no trading zone. We can initiate our trade of the breakout or breaker. Okay, so this is simple analysis for Nifty Finance, and I have few stocks to discuss with you. So the first stock is HDFC Bank. See, if you see the daily time frame, all the banking stocks looking a little bit of weak here. So probability are there. Bank Nifty also can drag this bank can drag the Bank Nifty. So HDFC Bank from the top has shown good profit booking, and today's volume is also very high. And now it is testing 16,050, 1650 level. So if we come to the 15-minute time frame, you can see is how important this level for tomorrow is. So this range is very important for tomorrow, 1650. Okay, so if anyhow market break this level, okay, either market can take support another time, make double bottom kind of pattern. If I zoom it a little bit, either market can take support from here, then can retest 1670, 1680 in this range another time. Otherwise, if it is break 1650 level range, then the first target will get very good target around 1639 or 1640, and the second target will be around 16 this swing low around 1630 39, and the second target will be 1630. This is a simple analysis for HDFC Bank. And similarly, this one trend line also now can act as a very good resistance. So if you are planning for a buying from here, you have to carefully watch around this zone, around this trend line, that what is happening in this area. Similarly, above the breakout of this zone, it is quite risky, but you can play above 1660 level. But I will not prefer if you are planning for buying, plan it from this bottom 1650 zone. And similarly, if this zone is given breakdown, then you can play for all these levels very easily. This is simple analysis for HDFC Bank. After breakdown of this range, we can initiate our trade. Similarly, the next is Axis Bank. Axis Bank, this patterns 964 previously working as resistance, then take support multiple times here, and sorry, then also retest this level, and now have given breakout and closes in this range 9650 range. So for tomorrow, our analysis will be very simple. If 963 Axis Bank break, will get a very good target around this area 950 in this zone. And similarly, like HDFC Bank also, if market makes a good bullish candle here, you also can plan for long in Axis Bank. But all the if you're planning for long, buy it at the support. It will be the here if you bought like HDFC Bank and Axis Bank, both the bank, if you bought here, your stop loss will be very less. Like if you bought above this 965 zone, around 2 to 3 rupees is your stop loss, and you can get 970 to 976 target. But our preferable will be for selling. Right, multiple time it has tested. If it is given breakdown of this range, we'll get a very good target around 950 to 948 zone. Okay, this is simple for Axis Bank. And the next stock is JSW Steel. First, see the daily time frame and JSW still. And JSW still, I have also given this for swing trading also. I have the breakout this zone, and it has given breakout of this 800 and 800 levels. So you can also look for that. And tomorrow, I think it is going to give dividend of 3 rupees 40 paisa. So in 15 minutes time frame, see as it is going to give dividend, it may has chances it's open 3 to 4 rupees gap down as for the adjustment of the dividend. If it is come in this range, see this range has multiple time it has acting as a support, and if it is come in this range 800 to 803 804, you can plan for long in JSW still, and you can get a very good target around. You see this consolidation zone, it is coming around. No, let me mark with this our target is coming around almost 2%. Almost 2% target you can trend from here. Okay, so if market coming is range 820, 825, this zone easily can be tested. Okay, or similarly this zone, this is high also. This is will also act as a very good support if it is given breakout. So very good target you can get with a stop loss of A03. Market expecting around 4 rupees gap down. So around 806, 805 in this range market will open. So with the 3 rupees stop loss, you can get a very good target. And you can also see the volume here. It has increased tremendously in the last 15 minutes, like sorry, last 45 minutes. So you can play that here. You got a very good target. Okay. So the another stocks that I'm going to discuss, that is SBI Life. SBI Life, if you see first in the daily time frame, in it has multiple time has tested this resistance. 1320 is acting as a very good resistance multiple times. And in 15 minutes time frame, if you see that this zone is acting as a very good support around 1285. This zone is acting as a very good support. In today's also in 15 minutes time frame, you also can see the pole and bearish pole and kind of patterns it has activated. So the the pattern is still valid. So below 1285 zone in HDFC Life, we can plan our selling, and we can book up first target around 1273 in this area. The second target will be around 1258 in this zone. Okay, and similarly, this zone also very important if you're planning for buying only above 1300 level with a stop loss of 4 rupees stop loss, you can plan for buying, and your target will be around all this high will be your target. Okay, let me mark that. After the breakdown of this range, we can get a very good target in SBI Life, and for buying above this range, you can plan for buy as well. Okay, so this is simple for analysis for SBI Life. And the last stocks which I'm going to discuss is Bojo Pet. If you see, sorry, SBI Life, Bajaj Brand is also taking rejection around 684 to 685, 688 in this range, and now it has given breakdown of the multiple time support of 669 and retesting this level. You can see these candles low around 665 zone. Okay, so in 15 minutes time frame, if we come, we will find that it has tested multiple times, and if it is given a breakdown in 665 levels, so we can get a very good target around in this area, around this candle's low around 651. See how much percentage the possibilities are around 1.98%. But if you book at least 1% also, it will be very good. Or either you can tell your stop loss here, which is the very good target here. 2% for a day is very high for stocks like Berger Pen. So either you can book 1% partially, or you can shift your stop loss, or you can book your in a swing it has make, or in the support it's want to make here like this, mark the swing high or swing low and shift to reset there. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for Berger Pen. We only execute our trade below this level, and I'm not considering budget pen for buying because there are multiple swings high. You can see 667, 666, 671, and 677. See multiple swings high, so market can take rejection from any of this level. So lack of possibilities, the market will it will a good move in upside. So only for selling you can consider budget pens, and for buying and SBI and both banks JSWC you can consider that. Okay, so this is simple analysis for tomorrow, guys, and I hope this analysis will help you for tomorrow's analysis, and have a good day. Best of luck for tomorrow.